Hi. In this video I will tell you exactly how I tried a side hustle of sneaker reselling. I'll show you how much I paid sneakers at Nike and Adidas Outlet, and how much I sold them using the Stock app. Also you will see that I actually sold sneakers first, and only then bought it in outlets, ensuring my profit without any risk. Every sneakers have their own unique number, which you can see on the screen, so I first searched in the Stock app for this unique number. Once I found an exact sneaker as in outlet and profit was acceptable for me, I proceeded and sold sneakers on Stock app. Please make sure that this number is exactly matching sneakers you have in front of you in the outlet, because there are so many variants, that to pick right one is crucial. I sold in total 3 pairs of sneakers, and Stock app is showing €218 in sales, which is not taking into account involved fees. Make sure that you are considering into account those fees when taking decision to buy or not particular pair of sneakers. To give you an idea how much those fees could represent, I show you my concrete example on the screen. Once you sold your sneakers in Stock app and bought them in Nike or Adidas Outlet, it is time to send them to stock. Please make sure that you are complying with packaging rules Stockx app is giving, because if the box at the end of the day will be damaged once arrived at stock, they can refuse it and thus not paying you. As an idea, you can see how I packed my boxes. I have to mention here that all 3 boxes I already had in my basement, so I did not pay for them, as well as packaging paper left from some of my previous delivery. But if you do not have available and complying with stock packaging rules boxes in your disposal, please consider the costs of it when calculating your potential profit. So now let's see how much I earned making this side hustle. I paid €91.16 in Adidas Outlet and €72.74 in Nike Outlet, meaning €163.9 in total. I sold 3 pairs on stock for €190.86, all fees included. It means that total net profit is €26.96. It is a good result considering that I am a complete beginner in sneaker reselling business with no previous experience or knowledge in sneakers. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you do, then consider subscribing to my channel, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, comment and share it. Also, if you want to download notes from this video, go to moneymakingchallenge.com and grab your free PDF report. See you in the next video.